Good morning from another lovely day here in Hiratsuka. It's December 26th, second day of Christmas, but in Japan Christmas is already over, so no more Christmas celebrations or anything. Instead today we are going to Odawara, which is 30 minutes away by train from here, and it's the end of the line that we always take from Tokyo or to Tokyo. And yeah, the city is not really known for much other than a castle, which is the closest castle that you can go to from Tokyo. It's maybe 1.5 hours by train from Shinjuku, and it's unfortunately a reconstruction, so it's not an original castle as the one we went to 3 weeks ago in Matsumoto, but it's still hopefully a cool place. And yeah, as I said some times ago, it's basically on the west, towards the west from here, and since we are going to move towards the east, we kind of want to do more things that are towards the other side, like Odawara, maybe Hakone, maybe some other like hiking places in that area. And then, you know, once we have moved to the east, we can explore a little bit more things in that general direction. But yeah, first stop, Odawara. Excited? Yeah. Just been excited all morning. So we've made it to Odawara Castle, which you can see behind me, and we got some tickets to go up to the. You can go to these grounds like right in front of the castle for free. But if you want to go up to the top tower, from where you apparently have a great view on the surrounding like countryside, you have to pay 510 yen per person, which is roughly $5 or something. And yeah, the way here it's pretty quick from the station. It's maybe like 5 to 10 minute walk. And you have the castle grounds on the bottom. You also have a samurai museum if you're into that. And otherwise, yeah, it's probably just gonna be like another standard castle, except that if you remember the vlog that we did in Matsumoto, you can actually go outside and have a better view from the outside, which you couldn't do at Matsumoto Castle, obviously because it's an original castle. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the nice views from the top. Hope you will enjoy them as well. that was our visit to Odawara Castle. It has 5 stories, and it's, I think, as you can see, it's a pretty modern castle from the inside. So, like compared to the original castles, which were all like completely made out of wood, this one inside had like a lot of modern facilities, and it was a lot easier to climb as well. But yeah, it's a reconstruction from 1960, so it's not really as much of a historic site. The view from the top is really great though, so you can get a view all the way to Hakone, to Enoshima in the south, in the east I mean, and the surrounding mountains and some other cool places. So I would say just for the climb it's worth the 500 yen, and you can kind of get the extra museum visit if you want as an extra plus. Yeah, our next stop is gonna be probably a factory where they...
It's not. Because we need to take a taxi.
Oh, okay. So this area is famous for like a fish cake, kamaboko, which is what you often see in ramen, right? Or like, ramen ni haitteru yoku. So it's what you often see. It's what you see in ramen sometimes, and also part of the traditional New Year's kitchen. And unfortunately the factory is a bit far away, so we're not gonna go there. But we might be able to find a place to eat it in the city. So our next stop is gonna be back to the train station, try to find a place to eat, and try to find some kamamboko, whatever it's called.